Hi, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a display color swatch sheet for your colored pencils, markers, or whatever type of art supplies you have. Because when you have this, it's kind of hard to see what you have to work with. But if we use one of these, we can actually go through, fill in a color, and write down the color of each one underneath of it. And that makes it easier for bigger projects to see what colors would work best in which areas, and then it gives you other options of being able to pick out shading or that. So I'll show you how to do this. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to have a nice, good, even layer so you can easily identify how your color is. Then once you're happy with your square, you write down the color, which can be a name or a number, and just write it underneath of it so you can easily identify it. And let's get the rest of these. And that is the finished color swatch. Makes it a lot easier and a lot more neat. You can see what colors you have that's available, so you don't have to try to figure out what you have with this, you can easily just pull out your sheet, pick your color, and continue with your art. Now, the one thing that I like to do also in the top right corner, I also like to write what type it is. Like for these ones, these are the Fantasia Artist Color pencils. So then just and I've done this to multiple types of mediums, like I said. Like the inside of this one, I've used it for markers for my Premier alcohol ones, Artist Loft, another type of Premier ones. Any ones that I have, I've made a color swatch for them. So as my collection grows, I can add more colors to the swatches. But that is the best way to try to keep your colors and your drawings nice and neat. And I'm Matt from Matt's Art Box. Thanks for watching.